Hello, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. My name is Weslynn. This is my channel, Business West. I want to talk about my business, the beauty package, where I make handmade cosmetics. I have been making body oil videos and they have become my most viewed videos on my channel. It's a very simple body oil recipe and I wanted to make one that's really simple. This one is going to be a 6 oil, all natural body oils. Now, I am going to be using a essential oil, a fragrance oil that is not natural. The recipe in itself is natural. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to use a fragrance oil. Me personally, I am, okay? The oils I'm going to be using, liquid coconut oil. Really good for the skin. Vitamin E, one of my favorites, amazing, 10 out of 10. Rice bran oil, which will give you that really nice like kind of dry oil effect. Really good if you don't like anything too oily. Next is coconut oil. Once again, amazing for the skin and good if you don't like anything too oily or too greasy. Amazing for that. Yeah, let's just get started. I'm so excited. So first is we're going to pour in the rice bran oil. This is so amazing and I get mine from Bulk Apothecary, which is really amazing. So yeah, just pour some rice bran oil in. Next is some vitamin E oil. Ingredient only because it's a heavier oil. It's really hard to mix vitamin E towards the top. So let's just mix this. So your body oils have become so popular lately and I can definitely see why. I love me a good body oil, especially when it smells really good. But I have been trying to find like unique scents, so I'm going to come out with a fall collection oil and the coconut oil. So I have different things that I want to do for my fall collection. For my winter collection, I'm going to bring back Whimsy Winter because I feel like I did not promote it that much, but it was because I was in college. Like, apricot oil. And then last but not least is grapeseed. All of these oils have amazing benefits for your skin. Yo, I'm like literally going so fast. I don't really know why. So yeah, let's just mix them because this is such a simple recipe and you can customize this. You can add some herbs, you can add flowers, you can add glitter, you can add fragrance. This is just a nice base to work with. Next is for the fragrance oil. I'm going to be using the Dark Kiss fragrance oil. Honestly, I'm just going to pour all of it in there because it's just like a really small bottle of it. It is 0.5 ounces of it. So it's really good. So yeah, so yeah, this recipe is super simple. You will know your oil's done. You'll just know. Like, you'll know when it's just all mixed and cohesive. We're gonna pour it in the bottle. Let me see if I can do it like this. Yeah, no. So I'm only doing it like this because I know pouring it into the bottle is not gonna be sufficient. Voila, we have a whole body oil. I'm back. So I did end up cutting the pump. Y'all, oh my gosh, I feel like when I film later in the day I'm just so clumsy. Oh wait, it's because I gotta cut it a little bit more. Yeah, I feel like when I film later in the day I'm just like the clumsiest person ever. And boom, we have a whole body oil. I'm gonna clean it off, show y'all the consistency of it. Just like the shine of it and it's not greasy and like sticky at all. The vitamin E oil gives it a little bit more like tack, which I like, especially when I'm doing like glitter. This is the body oil. It is all done. Now this body oil is amazing. This is such a simple recipe for you to do anytime. You can mix it in with your body butters. You can mix it into with your body lotions. It's such a simple recipe, so easy. So yeah, y'all, this body oil is amazing and I would highly recommend this recipe. Also check out my other recipes as well, but this is just a simple body oil that you can make anytime. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out the beauty package on all social medias, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.